Are you working day after day on quotes? Isn't it frustrating to see orders being lost just because customers have to wait too long? But why would you spend days on something that can also be done in a few minutes and increases drastically your win rate? What if you could simply upload work files that are automatically broken down into subcomponents and parts? What if every production step would be recognized automatically? Even those steps that you as a metalworking company do not have in-house. What if you could select the requested materials and specify quantities in an instant? What if you could estimate within seconds what the material costs and production time will be, including the work you outsource and finished products you purchase? From now on, you can send your customer a consistent and competitive quote within minutes. And you can of course always adjust every detail to your needs. Because every quote remains human work. Visit www.quotationfactory.com for more information.